Let us discuss the next question. This is from the year 2024. Which of the following statements about the Ethics Committee in the Lok Sabha are correct? Statement 1. Initially, it was an ad hoc committee. Statement 2. Only a member of the Lok Sabha can make a complaint relating to the unethical conduct of a member of the Lok Sabha. Statement 3. This committee cannot take up a matter which is sub judice. Select the answer using the code given below. Initially, when the ethics committee was set up, it was set up as a ad hoc committee and later it became a permanent body. So this statement is correct. Statement 2 says, only a member of the Lok Sabha can make a complaint regarding the unethical conduct of a member of the Lok Sabha. It is not necessary that only a member of the Lok Sabha can make a complaint. Even a normal citizen through another MP can make a complaint to the ethics committee. So this statement is incorrect. Statement 3. This committee cannot take up any matter which is sub judice. For example, any matter which is already pending in the court for which the proceedings are going on in the court, this committee will not take up such matter and it cannot take up such matter which is already sub judice, for which already the procedures are being carried on in a court of law. So this statement is also correct. Select the answers using the code given below. Statement 2 is incorrect and statement 1 and 3 are correct. So our answer will be C, 1 and 3 only. Coming to the in-depth explanation, the Committee of Privileges recommended the constitution of an ethics committee during the 13th Lok Sabha. And the Speaker GMC Baluyagi then constituted this ad hoc committee in the year 2000 and later on this became permanent in the year 2015. And it's not necessary that only an MP will complain against an MP. Even a citizen, any person can through another MP can complain against a MP. For that they need to give an affidavit saying that the complaint is not false, frivolous and vexatious. And if the member himself complains, then there is no need for this affidavit. When the complaint is received, this committee will make a prima facie inquiry to see whether the facts hold true, whether the prima facie complaint can be taken up. Then it makes recommendations whether the evaluation of the complaint has to be done or not, and it will decide that. And also this committee doesn't take up the suo motu complaints based on the media reports, and it also doesn't take up those matters which are already sub judice, that is for those matters which are already the proceedings are going on in a court of law. And this ethics committee, they submit the report to the speakers, who will then ask the house if the report should be taken up for consideration, and the half-an-hour discussion would be provided on such report in the house. Coming back to the question, statement number 2 is incorrect, so answer is C, 1 and 3 only.